I'm on the search for all the snacks that I used to eat when I was little. It's a huge place.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Cashew nut crackers. Ooh, cashew nut cookies. Oh, I remember these. These are white sesame cake. Not too sweet, just right. Fresh peanut candy. Oh, I remember these. These are actually really good. The Japanese ones tend to be better, but these are super yummy. I can't eat them because I have wheat in them, but Mom really likes these. I'll ask her if she wants one. Okay, let's keep looking.
Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck in some.
Take a look here. There was this thing called Yokan, and it was made It was made of like red bean paste. I don't know where it would be. These are all the snacks. Let me see if I find any snacks that I'm used to eating. Let's see here. Oh, kaniyaku. Kaniyaku. There's jellies. Mom said it would be up front somewhere. Take a look. Okay, we're in the rice section. When I was growing up, I think Grandma liked cocoa huo rice. I don't need that much rice. Mom likes sushi rice. Maybe we can find sushi rice. Nishiki. Nishiki is the best. If you want rice, you're gonna get nishiki. Like, this is the best. This is really good. Bags. A big bag, 15 pounds, is $18.99. Smaller bag, that's all we need. 10-pound bag of rice. Not big. I'll just get a little one. Ooh, 5 pounds, $7.50. It's a good one. See all the fish back there. Totally fresh.
Yeah, we're chilling, I guess you and